So this dream is going to be called The Three Sons. Had this dream a couple years ago. The dream was in first person. And the dream starts out, I am crawling in a cave with a couple of other people. The cave is dark, and we're trying to get our way out somehow. And we're heading towards this light. So we're crawling up, we get to the entrance, and crawl out of the cave, and the light is blinding. It's three of us. One of the other people was in, I guess you could say, a wife beater tank top type thing. It was like tan, and had on army fatigue bottoms and brown boots. I had on black pants, a black shirt, and black boots. I don't remember what the third person had. But anyways, we crawled out, and it was dry and arid everywhere. There was something wrong. Like, something had happened that scorched everything. And, like, the ground and everything was all dry. The sky was this weird color, though. And we looked up, and there was three suns in the sky. They were on a distance horizon, I guess you could say. Like, in the summertime, they would be at, like, a 6 o'clock time frame, like, where they were setting and stuff like that. And it was weird because the three suns made a V. The one on the right that was up was a red sun. It was kind of, like you would see a sun when it was setting, it would be red, but this was just red. The one at the bottom in the center was what I guess you could refer to as a cool white. Almost like fluorescent lights, the classic fluorescent lights you see in like schools and office buildings and stuff like that. That type of color where it's just like, just this sterile color. Cool white, it's called. And then the sun to the top left was a normal like yellow glow to it. And it was weird because they were moving in unison and going down. Like it was one sun moving down, but they were all three moving downward. And as they were setting, their colors changed slightly, but they just kept staying the same, and they slowly set. The peculiar thing is how much, like, as it was setting, like, it just looked like everything was desolate. Like, there was no life anywhere. Everything was just, like, arid rocks, almost like a desert, but it wasn't a desert. You could tell it wasn't a desert. There was a stream way up ahead down the valley, but it wasn't, like, a clean stream. You could tell that it was dirty, but everything was just desolate and dry. But the peculiar thing is that there was three suns, and that those three suns were those three colors. It was like I said, a red, then cool white, almost like a bluish hue if you want to look up what cool white is, and then the normal yellow one top left. So don't know what that means. Felt like I needed to share it. Thank you.